Garchaw Construction 1600 are underway, and Fantasy Jet out fast with Chinese Jubilee and Chaos, and Ms Oldfields Road. Barossa Duke's up there, and Promises is coming right through on the inside too. So make the junction from the chute to the course proper. Then in midfield on the inside was a Mushka. Back in the field is He's No Saint. Back there too now is Little Dreamer. The Carcahoo Express and Zaroff to be the last. The late scratching 11. Angel in Blue Jeans refusing to load. Ms Oldfields Road getting on with the job in front, a length and a half. Promises. There followed Barossa Duke, Muska, then Chaos out wider. The Carcahoo Express is starting to slide up to these leaders as they get to the end of the back straight. Chinese Jubilee's well back in the field with He's No Saint. Back there too is Fantasy Jet, a length off those to Zaroff, and back last is Little Dreamer. Across the top they come, 700 metres left to go in the Garchaw Construction. Ms Oldfields Road leads from the Carcahoo Express, a length and a half away. Promises. 2 lengths Barossa Duke around a Muska. There followed Chinese Jubilee. Chaos back in the field. Zaroff looks to work into the race. Now He's No Saint well back here on the corner. Fantasy Jet and Little Dreamer homeward bound. Ms Oldfields Road up against the inside, and the Carcahoo Express a length and a half. A Muska's getting up and behind. Chaos down the outside. Barossa Duke and Promises. Ms Oldfields Road, a Muska went for an inside gap. It disappeared there, and Chaos working home strongly. Ms Oldfields Road, Chaos, Barossa Duke, and here's He's No Saint. He's flashing now. Chaos, He's No Saint on the outside. Chaos will get the last over He's No Saint, Barossa Duke, and the very unlucky Amushka. That's in a